So what we're trying to achieve here, I am inside Google Search Console, and my page have this error in here in the performance review. So as you can see here, I have 54 errors for the events page. So we're going to investigate this and troubleshoot this. So here we have 54 pages. I'm going to open that 54 pages. Okay. So the error for the 54 pages we have for our site is missing field location. So we're going to investigate this inside Google Search Console. Open the 54 pages. So as you can see here, these are the URLs affected. So we're going to investigate further. Okay. We're going to retrieve data from Google Index. Okay, so we have one error and 3 warnings. We will disregard 3 warnings for now. Warnings are just like suggestions from Google to improve it further. It is more important to focus on the error. So we will troubleshoot the error. So here's the error, and the error that we are getting is the missing field location. So we're going to troubleshoot this. We're going to address this issue inside WordPress. So here, I am now inside of WordPress. We get the URL and open it inside our WordPress site. So here it is. Now, as you can see here, I have the location information already. I put in there the venue. So this is an event. So it is telling us that the event was held or will be done in this venue information here, as you can see here. So this venue information. So I put location information in here as well as organizers. I just fix it manually, and then we will continue working on it. So we have 54 pages, and I already fix all the issues in here. All of the issues are missing location field. So all of those 54 are done. So since we have finished fixing those issues inside our WordPress site, we manually did it. That is done. So we're going to validate fix. This may take up probably 2 to 3 minutes because we have 54 URLs that they need to have to analyze or to recrawl to see and validate the fix that we have done for the website. So just after 2 hours, we can see now that before we have 54 error page for events enhancements, and now we only got 51. So from 54 down to 51. So the errors that we have fixed for the site is now slowly being recrawled by Google and being accepted or being marked as done or fixed by Google Search Console. We will continue to monitor the progress of the recrawl of the Google Search Console for our enhancements error for the events.